Hi, this video is going to focus on our journey with one of our clients, MGL Enterprises Incorporated. Our journey with MGL began with the creation of their first website. We started with our standard package, which included a one-page site featuring navigation menus and a mobile-friendly design, ensuring a seamless user experience across mobile devices. The client then reached out to us to help them develop an online course for their propane filling and handling safety awareness course. We integrated the course into their website, featuring step-by-step navigation, interactive quizzes, and a final test to ensure an engaging and comprehensive learning experience.
This course will cover topics like what is propane? What could cause propane to ignite? And what steps you can take to keep you safe from propane accidents and injuries.
Once that course was completed, the client approached us to develop another course. This one was the Driver's Hours of Service Awareness course.
In this course, a participant will learn how to understand fatigue management, identify the signs of fatigue, and implement strategies to mitigate its impact on driving performance. Familiarize with Canadian regulations.
Most recently, our client MGL became affiliated with another software company whose primary focus is the delivery of online health and safety courses. So we worked with MGL to integrate their website with the other company's software to ensure a seamless transition between the two systems. It has truly been a pleasure collaborating with MGL throughout this journey, and we wish them continued success in elevating their online presence. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in elevating your own online presence and need help, please reach out to us. We'd love to work with you. You can also find out more about our business by subscribing to our channel.